Vincenzo'S Go Crypto investing on this nice, gorgeous, sunny with some high clouds, high puffy cumulus clouds with gorgeous ocean, bright blue skies in the background as we have a high sunshine today with only a 68 degree temperature at the noontime hour. Very low humidities in the 50s, dew points in the 50s, upper 40s. Feels like the first week of September, not the first week of August. And old Vincenzo loves, as we go down the stretch now of summertime, only 30 days and counting down left. Just as we started June, remember back in June when I was in Central Illinois, it was very chilly, June 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Very chilly start to the first 3 days of summer. And now a very chilly start to the last month of summer, right? Beautiful. The gold's still not doing anything. The crypto's not really doing anything either, except the quant is just going up 90%, down 50%, up 100%, down 30%. I don't know what the fuck is going on with quant, so I'm just staying away from that right now. We'll take a look at Ethereum real quick. You can see we built that right shoulder that actually we diagnosed, stiffed out, and detected, but the right shoulder was actually over here. Oh my god, this is the one thing with fucking TradingView that is just so stupid. Coming down beautifully again, just like we diagnosed and overted and subverted the criminal gangster cartel. Not just one up here. We did it free out. One time up here with Brian Stewart, again with Brian Stewart, and again with the criminal gangsters, the Ohio State University there. And we told you where it was going to go. All 3 times we've been right. And we're going to be right again on Matic. And this has to be a short update because of I'm out in Romeo and there's a horrible signal. You see Bitcoin futures pumped a little bit. Keep an eye out on that. But Bitcoin futures has formed a beautiful with our industry exclusive drawing tool. Left shoulder, head, and now it's completely formed the right shoulder And you can see on the Bitcoin futures, not the spot chart, the futures, you can see the head, and it just came up to upper resistance. And then you got the neckline, which is down here. Your neckline's right there. So we'll put that in red. See that? Then you got your upper resistance of the head from your left shoulder at about 40,360, and your right shoulder just came up and popped. That's what we've been waiting for. Now your technical target on the Bitcoin futures would be from the top of the head to the neckline, and this is going to be a huge fall. And then you put it to the point of a breakout, and you see negative 7,000. Obviously, it wouldn't go there because this it doesn't adjust percentile. It's only doing dollar amounts. So it would probably bring you down. I wish I could. There's a way to figure that out so it readjusts for percentile. So this would be how far of a fall. We'll do it ourselves. This would be a 55% fall. So from the neckline, your technical target would be right in line with our other spot price chart of $14,000, right? Your old major lower support that we had for a very long time in Bitcoin, which was down here. See that? Even back farther, back in 18, we had that right up there, and then we keep going back in the Bitcoin futures. Or that might have been the end of the start of the Bitcoin futures. That's major support on the Bitcoin futures chart, and that's why we think when you break down out of this head and shoulders, you have a $13,980 target on the Bitcoin futures. And old Vincenzo thinks that a big crash is going to take place right here. I would be watching out for this big crash. Let me get right early November. Hold on, we want to get that in here. We're going to put a little box. This is where I think industry exclusive rectangles. This is where I think the crash is going to happen. Early November. Right here. I expect a huge crash to take place in this box. Right in that box. Big crash coming. This is where we think we're going to come down. You got to be... See, it's fucking so dumb, dude. Jesus Christ. Fucking can't stand trading view with that. You would think they'd figure that shit out by now, but they don't. They don't figure it out. But we have a big crash coming there in that box. In Bitcoin futures, diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected. CME futures. Peace and love. Peace and love.